Welcome to the Innovo Control App version 2.0 tutorial. We will begin by guiding you through the process of updating your touch panel application to the latest release. Please note that these instructions apply to systems currently running versions 1.3 or higher. If you are operating an older software version or legacy hardware, please contact our support team for specialized assistance. When you boot up your touch panel for the first time, you will be presented with this screen, enabling you to select a boot app that always runs when the touch panel boots up. This will be your permanent boot app. Once you have chosen your boot app, the User Agreement screen, ULA, comes up. By opening the box and starting the touch panel, you have already agreed to the terms and conditions of the Innovo User License Agreement. Nevertheless, this screen shows you a summary of the User License Agreement. If you need to see the full User License Agreement, then go to your browser on your computer and enter the link that is on the screen. Once you hit the Accept button, you then move on to the registration section of the setup. You can register your panel by entering your dealer email address associated with your dealership and an optional name for the touch panel, and then click Submit. This enables you to register the touch panel with Innovo so that it can appear on your dashboard for future updates and ease of changes. Once completed, the panel is now registered. If you opt not to register, you can skip the registration for this part of the setup. Please know that you can always register the panel from the dealer menu screen as seen here. You can also change the registration information from here as well. Once the registration is complete, the Innovo Control App version 2.0 comes up and starts with this screen. This screen with the available buttons is available to all users. The user can now access the display settings. This enables the user to access the screen brightness, enabling adaptive brightness, as well as the screen timeout. If the screen timeout is disabled, the screen will always be on. If it is enabled, then the user can set up the dimming timeout as well as the dark timeout. The dimming controls the time for the screen to become dim, and the dark controls when the screen goes completely black. The user can set the time for dimming using the hours, minutes, and seconds entry seen here, as well as the dark timeout. Make sure that the dimming timeout is shorter than the dark timeout. Otherwise, the app will not let you proceed. In the volume settings, the user can adjust the main and notification volumes separately as seen here. At the panel info section, the user or a dealer can get related information about the touch panel, such as the name, IP address, the MAC address, and other needed information. This enables the user or dealer to get the information all in one place. A dealer can log in from the Innovo login screen shown here using a secret PIN code. The default PIN code is 3526. It is highly advisable to change the default PIN code for obvious security issues. Once logged in, the dealer's specific buttons show up. The dealer can change the PIN code from this screen as well. In the time zone screen, the dealer is able to adjust the time zone from a drop-down list as shown. At the App Switcher, the dealer is able to select the apps that they want to place on the launcher drawer. The apps are shown in the list when the button is clicked. The dealer can then select the apps needed to be on the launcher drawer one by one. After that, click the Launch App Switcher to launch the drawer. To access and navigate our new launcher interface, you can use either of the following touchscreen gestures.
You can swipe inward from the right edge to the left, or you can swipe downward from the top edge to the bottom. Note that the drawer will always slide into the center right side of the screen, regardless of your screen orientation. Once displayed, the launcher provides access to the apps currently configured and selected via the app switcher screen, and the reboot button that is located at the bottom of the drawer, which is the last icon. This is a multi-function button used for bringing up the Innovo Control app or reboot the touch panel. To return to the Innovo app, quickly tap the reboot button 4 times within 4 seconds. To reboot the touch panel, press and hold the reboot button for 10 seconds or more. We are showing how to reboot the panel here. When the screen boots up, use the Launcher Reboot button to bring up the Innovo app by tapping the reboot button 4 times within 4 seconds. It is that simple.
In the Update screen, the dealer is able to update the panel apps such as Nice, Lutron, and Control4 by clicking the Update Panel Apps button.
While the touch panel is updating the apps, the progress shows which app is being updated along the progress bar as the dealer waits for the update to finish. This helps the dealer know when the process will be completed.
The dealer can also update the app itself using the Update This App button, which brings the Innovo Control app to the latest release version, which currently is 2.0. Do not use the Fetch and Apply patches unless instructed by support. The Innovo Control app will upgrade from any previous version, starting with version 1.3, to the latest version, which is version 2.0 as of today. If you have an older version, then contact support. In the Reset screen, the dealer is able to reset cache and storage only if instructed by support. The Reboot button does exactly what it says. It reboots the touch panel. In the Wi-Fi screen, the dealer can set up a Wi-Fi connection. Turn on the Wi-Fi by clicking the Off button. Click Scan for networks if you do not see your network. Then, once you see your network, click on it and enter the password for the Wi-Fi, and then submit to join the network. Note, if the dealer does not have a wired connection for the touch panel, the Wi-Fi screen will be on by default to assist the dealer join a Wi-Fi network.
To exit the app, click the Exit App button.
This concludes the Innovo Control app version 2.0 tutorial. Thank you for your time. Should you have any specific questions or need further guidance, please contact our support team at support@innovo.net. We hope that you are as excited as we are for this major update of the Innovo Control app. We will continue to innovate and make your life easier and your installation even smoother and more streamlined.